you could have a 20 gang box. So long as you know that this is the other end. This is, see this blue? This blue? This is the one, it just comes out of its box and goes to up here to this light box. This is my 3-wire from the other side. It's as simple as that. I don't need to mark this. But if you had other boxes in there, I put my notches in there. I know that this is my switch leg for the three-way. Now if I had other switches, I'd tie that around. So not only do I know that it's a switch leg, I know that it's a switch leg for that 3-wire. So, okay, but anyways, I didn't need to notch it because there's only 2 wires in there. Here we go. Cuts on both sides of there. Pull it off. Cuts on both sides, even right across. Just a little nick. You don't need to go down deep. You don't want to hit the wire. You don't need very much. Once in a while, you got to pull on it a little bit, but it's a story for another time. Sometimes you got to give it a little coaxing to get it going. Here we go again. Pull the wires or the paper off. Start with our grounds once again. We're going to bend our 1 wire over. We've got 1 running parallel with it. Cut it off like so. Twist them together so we have our ground for our switch. Cut it off. Wire nut. Okay, that's good. Neutrals again, remember? We have to have a neutral. We got a neutral coming in. The light needs a neutral. You never switch a neutral because what if this switch box comes in here, then out to the other plugs? You'd be switching the neutral off and on. You'd be switching the whole circuit. You'd turn your lights off, and then half the house would go off. Half the circuit would go off rather. So that's why the neutrals always go together. So here we go. Put our grounds back in there. Now we have our switch leg. There's only 1 wire left. Wrap it around our 3-wire. And now we know where this is our switch leg and these are our travelers. 3-way switches are both the same on both ends. You see that black screw? You can wrap them or you can stab them in the back. Little holes in there. You can wrap them. For right now, for this video, we're just going to stab it in the back. This is called your common. They call it a common. It's a common screw. Neutrals are called a common. Let's not worry about that for all intents and purposes. This is a common. So we just start with that. So we know because that one's wrapped around, we know that that's our common, our oddball, whatever you want to call it. What's left? It doesn't matter. There's no red goes on one side and black goes on the other. Those are our travelers. 3-way, simple as that. Look at that. 2 wires, or 2 travelers, go with the 2 gold ones. Our common, so that'd be the switch leg, or the hot on the other side, goes under that screw. Same thing on the other side. Of course, we put the ground in, la-li-la, okay, we screw it in, we're good. Everybody knows what time it is. It's taco time, baby. Got this from this little market. Hey, they all spoke Spanish, you know. I know they said some professional eat in front of people, but we're all friends here. You can eat in front of me. Just like, damn. Wow, good.